Technology Centers is one of 29 technology centers in the state of Oklahoma. Not only do we prepare people for careers, but we want them to be successful in their community, in their career, and in their character.
Now, I was very excited about the opportunity to implement character in the classroom. It was the very first time that I had actually heard of a program of its sort, but I quickly learned through using it with my students that character does indeed determine success.
We don't really talk about it as a program as much anymore as it's just a part of who we are. It's a part of the everyday fabric of our work. One of the fun things for me as director of the ACE campus was when we started taking students to the business leaders' breakfasts or lunches, and I could see the benefit when we would come back to the campus and they would share with other students, and then they became some of the leaders of implementing character at our campus.
We do the character first, not just on business ethics, but on a lot of personal things. And we'll do group discussions, and the kids bring out, well, I have this problem, and, we'll get input. Well, how can we use this character quality to solve that, and make them successful in life? For me, it's the best part of everything I do, is those times I get to spend with them.
The print design teacher came to me with an idea that we could develop our own planning calendar for our students and staff, and build it around the character qualities. And the students each took a month, and we researched the character qualities. They came up with quotes. We've added a lot of other things to it, but it's all based on the character first traits for that year.
We quickly found that a lot of students were taking these lessons back home, and they talked about it with their families, and that's a good thing, being that for the most part, we don't enroll just students, but we enroll their families as well. And so to hear them taking that back home, lets us know that that the character could be used even deeper, and that's towards the families.
The students we send out are like light warriors. They light the path in the organization that they're going to be employed. They're able to do that because I believe they buy into the thought of character first.
They don't see it on TV. Their music doesn't emphasize it. Most of them don't have family at home that's showing them or telling them what to do, and they need it. They just really need it. If we don't do it, nobody else does.
Knowledge without character isn't really worth much. So we think character first does what we want in terms of developing character for students. I think it's that effective. I think it's that good. I think it makes people better, and that's what we should be about.